Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to Akshara IT Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today class. Yeah, actually we have discussed some formulas, right, based on the multiple angles in trigonometry. Trigonometry, multiple angles formulas, nothing but sin 2a, cos 2a formulas, sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 2a, and submultiples sin a by 2 or sin a, cos a, tan a formulas. Okay, by using the multiple angles, we have identified the submultiple angles also in our previous class. And based on the formulas, we discussed some of the problems. Let us continue the problems here. Okay, na? So we are in exercise 1. First problem is completed in multiple angles topic. Okay, na? So let us check second problem. That is given that so cos alpha by a is equals to sin alpha by b. Cos alpha by a equals to sin alpha by b. Then a cos 2 alpha plus b sin 2 alpha. A cos 2 alpha plus b sin 2 alpha value we need to find. Okay, a cos 2 alpha plus b sin 2 alpha. Okay, before that, let us try to cross multiply this one, because the equal to symbol is exactly lies between two fractions. So we can apply the cross multiplication here. Then it will be b into cos alpha. B into cos alpha equals to a into sin alpha. Okay, b cos alpha equals to a sin alpha. Clear? Yeah. Now I am going to apply the multiple angles formula based on cos 2 alpha and sin 2 alpha. Yeah, cos 2 alpha formula applying in the terms of sin. So cos 2 alpha is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square alpha. Cos 2 alpha equals to 1 minus 2 sin square alpha. Sin 2 alpha value. Sin 2 alpha value is 2 sin alpha cos alpha. 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Okay. Just multiply with a. A into 1 a minus a into 2 sin square alpha. It will be 2a sin square alpha. A minus 2a sin square alpha. Okay. Now this one, b into 2 sin alpha cos alpha, we can write that 2 sin alpha cos alpha into b. Okay, na? But in the place of cos alpha into b, cos alpha into b or b cos alpha, both are same, right? In the place of b cos alpha, I can write a sin alpha according to the given condition. According to the given condition, b cos alpha is equals to a sin alpha. So I am just replacing here, that is 2 sin alpha into, in the place of b cos alpha I can write a sin alpha. Okay, no? So previously we have a minus 2a sin square alpha with plus symbol. Now 2 into a 2a, sin alpha into sin alpha becomes sin square alpha. Just multiply like this. 2 into a will be 2a, sin alpha into sin alpha, sin square alpha. Here negative 2a sin square alpha. And first term is a. Now just observe everything here. Minus 2a sin square alpha plus 2a sin square alpha, both are cancelled because of the same terms with opposite sign. What is remaining? Only a is remaining. Completed. Check. So first term, cos 2 alpha sin 2 alpha are given. Cos 2 alpha, I use the formula based on sin terms. Cos 2 alpha equals to 1 minus 2 sin square alpha. And sin 2 alpha as usually 2 sin alpha cos alpha. So and I just multiply with this, and one more crucial step I use, that in the place of b cos alpha I substitute A sin alpha from the given information. Okay, na? So that is the answer for this. So let us go to the next problem. So the question is, the third question is given that 8 sin theta. This time angle is given in thetas. Sin theta into cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta. Very, very important question. Can you identify any one of the formula based on this problem? Just observe clearly from the first two terms, sin theta and cos theta. When we are getting sin theta into cos theta, in sin 2 theta formula or sin 2 alpha, see 2 sin alpha cos alpha, extra 2 must be there, 2 sin alpha cos alpha. We have cos alpha and sin alpha, but not there extra 2. That 2 we are taking from 8. Now I am writing 8 as 4 into 2. Can I write 8 as 4 into 2? Yeah. And remaining sin theta into cos theta, and these two same, cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta. Okay, now? Now here 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but formula for sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is formula for sin 2 theta, and again this 4 I am going to write as 2 into 2. This 4 I am going to write as 2 into 2. And what are the remaining parts? Cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta. Okay, now? Now here onwards, 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. Here sin theta cos theta means formula sin 2 theta came. Sin 2 theta cos 2 theta is nothing but formula of sin 4 theta. So this 2 is as it is. In the place of 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta, we can write sin 2 into 2 theta nothing but 4 theta. And what is remaining term? Cos 4 theta. Again it is in the form of 2 sin theta cos theta, sin 2 theta formula, multiple angles here. So sin 2 into theta, theta value 4 theta, 2 into 4 theta becomes 8 theta. So answer is sin 8 theta. Okay, na? So just I am using the multiple angles sin 2 theta formula with the help of 8. I splitted the terms like 4 into 2, 2 into 2 and 2. Okay, na? Check. Very, very important problem. We will go to the problem number 4. Okay. Yeah, the fourth problem is the theta is between 180 degrees and 270 degrees. The theta value is exactly between 180 degrees and 270 degrees. 180 and 270 between means which quadrant? From four quadrants, which quadrant it will be? Third quadrant. Am I right? First quadrant 0 to 90. Second quadrant 90 to 180. Third one 180 to 270, and fourth one 270 to 360. That means here angle is in third quadrant. Angle is in third quadrant. Okay, now? Now what we have to find? If it is third quadrant, cot theta also given. Cot theta value is 4 by 3 it seems. Cot theta value 4 by 3. We need to find sin theta by 2. Submultiple. If it is given theta value 2 theta, 3 theta, 4 theta, if you wanted to find, that is multiples. Theta by 2, theta by 4, theta by 8, like that, submultiple angles. Okay, na? Sin 2 theta formula we should use. Let us take right angle triangle. If I take the theta here, cot, what is the cot ratio? Adjacent by opposite. Adjacent means here 4, opposite is 3. According to the trigonometry ratios, cot ratio is adjacent side by opposite side. So adjacent side is 4 and opposite side is 3. By using the Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse will be 5. The hypotenuse will be 5. Okay, na? Right. So from this, let us try to identify the angles here. I am using the submultiple angle based on sin 2 theta formula. What is sin 2 theta formula? Sin 2 theta formula is nothing but 2 sin theta cos theta. If it is 2 theta, here becomes theta, half of it. Same way, if it is theta, then it will be half of theta becomes theta by 2. Sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay, na? Or else we can identify, or directly we can find the sin theta value. Let us see the sin theta value. From this, sin theta is nothing but, sin theta is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, na? What is that? Opposite side is 3, hypotenuse is 5. Sin theta value opposite by hypotenuse. In third quadrant, theta value is positive or negative for sin ratio. Sin ratio is negative. Minus 3 by 5 value will come. Same way, cos theta value minus 4 by 5. But tan theta value will be 3 by 4. Tan is positive in third quadrant. Sin, cos are negative in third quadrant, but tan is positive in third quadrant. Okay, na? Now we have to find sin theta by 2. If you find sin theta by 2, we should get cos theta by 2 also. So let us try to find one more formula. I am using one more formula from the cos series. What is that cos formulas here? Cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos 2 theta formula 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So from this, minus 2 sin square theta is transpose this side, becomes plus 2 sin square theta, and this 1 is as it is here, and plus cos theta, cos 2 theta transpose that side, minus cos 2 theta. Okay, na? Here 2 is multiplying. If you transpose that side, it will be divided. That means 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. And square transpose, it will be square root. So finally, sin theta value root over 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Now, if you find sin theta value 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, same formula apply for submultiple. Submultiple means theta by 2. What is sin theta by 2 by using here? Sin theta by 2 equals to square root of 1 minus cos theta by 2. Am I right? Because theta means here 2 theta, double. Here theta by 2 means double, here theta. Okay, na? So just substitute the values here. What are the values I am arranging here? Okay, na? What are the values here? That is equals to sin theta by 2 equals to root over 1 minus cos theta. Here cos theta value minus 4 by 5. Cos theta value is minus 4 by 5 divided by 2. Here minus into minus become plus. Minus into minus become plus, and root over 1 plus 4 by 5 divided by 2. It is looking like a mixed fraction converted into improper. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 by 5. Denominator already 2, so 9 by 10. So simply it is 3 by root 10. Because 9 is a square number. 3 square value, square root cancel. 9, square root of 9 becomes 3. Square root of 10 is as it is, square root of 10 only. This is the sin theta value. Okay, na? Yeah, please check, children. Can you see from there up to there? Yeah. Okay. We'll go to the next problem. Yeah, problem number 5. The fifth problem is given that sin theta plus sin 2 theta, sin theta value plus sin 2 theta. 2 theta means multiple angle, divided by 1 plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta. Okay, now what is the sin 2 theta formula, we know the well known formula, that is 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin 2 theta formula, 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. So numerator all are in the terms of sin, but one cos will be there. Okay, whatever. So denominator also try to write cos 2 theta formula in the terms of sin. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, na? Or else try to cancel here. Here 1 will be cancelled. No? Let us try to write cos 2 theta formula in the terms of cos only. That means 2 cos square theta minus 1. Cos 2 theta formula, 2 cos square theta minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel here. Now from the numerator, first term is, we can see sin theta. Second term also we can see sin theta as a common factor. Yeah, let us take sin theta as a common factor. From the first term not there anything means 1 will be remaining, plus from second term if you remove sin theta, what is remaining? 2 cos theta. So this is 1 plus 2 cos theta. Same way denominator we have 2 terms. Both of the terms we can see cos theta is a common factor. Cos theta is a common factor. From the first term if you remove cos theta, what is remaining? Nothing. Nothing means 1 will be there. Plus 2 cos square theta, 2 remaining. From this cos square theta, 1 cos theta will be remaining, because cos square theta is nothing but cos theta into cos theta. 1 cos theta we have taken as a common factor. So remaining cos theta will be remaining. So numerator 1 plus 2 cos theta, denominator 1 plus 2 cos theta, both are same terms, can be cancelled. Still what are remaining? Sin theta by cos theta. Sin by cos is nothing but tan. Sin theta by cos theta equals to tan theta. Okay, na? Let us go to the problem number 6. Okay. Yeah, the sixth problem is cos 2 pi by 15, cos 2 pi by 15 into cos 4 pi by 15 into cos 8 pi by 15 and last 14 pi by 16, sorry, 14 pi by 15. Okay, na? So just look at this. So we have to apply some different formula here, nothing but by using the sin 2 theta formula only, sin theta cos theta, like that. Okay, na? Yeah. Now this entire term, let us try to take it as, yeah. Now this one, I am going to find this entire term cos 2 theta, that means 2 becomes 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, but 14 is given, whatever. So for this, for getting repeatedly like that, we are having one common formula, that is sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 sin theta cos theta. Same formula applying here, I am just multiplying here 2 sin. Here what is that? Cos 2 pi by 15, no? What is this first term? Cos 2 pi by 15. Now I am just multiplying this term with sin 2 pi by 15. Sin 2 pi by 15. So simply I just multiply and divided by 2 sin 2 pi by 15. I multiply and divided by this entire term with 2 sin 2 pi by 15. So remaining parts, here cos will come, cos 2 pi by 15 into cos 4 pi by 15, cos 8 pi by 15 and last cos 14 pi by 15. Okay, na? So from these first two terms, 2 sin theta cos theta. Here theta is nothing but a 2 pi by 15. In the place of theta we can see 2 pi by 15. Here also 2 pi by 15. So 2 sin theta cos theta formula is 2 sin theta cos theta formula is sin 2 theta. Okay, na? So from this I can write this is as sin 2 theta. Sin 2 into theta value 2 pi by 4. 2 into 2 pi is 4 pi. 4 pi by 15. And what are the remaining terms here? Cos 4 pi by 15, cos 8 pi by 15, and the last term is cos 14 pi by 15. But what is the remaining term here in the denominator? Denominator is 2 sin 2 pi by 15 only. Again, to apply the formula here, sin theta into cos theta, both are same. We missed only 2, so just multiply and divided by 2. Again, the numerator is in the formula of 2 sin theta, cos theta, nothing but sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is sin 2 into theta value 4 pi. 2 into 4 pi is 8 pi. 8 pi by 15. Also cos 8 pi by 15. Last cos 14 pi by 15. Okay na? So denominator is 2 into 2, 4 sin 2 pi by 15. Okay na? Again we missed 2. Just multiply and divided by 2 here. Multiply and divided by 2. Again formula 2 sin cos. 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. That means 2 into 2 theta. That means 2 into 8 pi 16 pi. I am writing in next page. The numerator will be sin 16 pi by 15. Okay, 16 pi by 15. This is this one. This one is in the form of sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. So in the place of, we can write sin 16 pi and remaining cos 14 pi. Remaining cos 14 pi by 15. Denominator 2 into 4 will be there. That means 8 sin 2 pi by 15 as it is. Okay na? Now check this one. Sin 16 pi by 15 cos 14 pi by 15. So both are theta values are somewhat different. Theta values are somewhat different. So we have to try to find its value. So let us try 16 pi by 15 value I am writing here. Pi value is 180 degrees, right? Pi is nothing but 180 degrees. Denominator is 15. So 15 table in 180 12 times. 15 table 180 12 times. 12 into 16. Nothing but 195. 195. Correct? Sorry, 92. 180 plus 16. Yeah. Let us try to multiply here. 32. This is 16. So 192 only. So this value 192 degrees. Okay na? Next 14 pi means 14 pi by 15 value. 14 into 180 by 15. Again 12 times. 14 12s. How much 14 12s are? 14 10s 140. 14 11s 154 and 168. So this value is 168. Okay na? So this is 190 to 168. Let us simplify this. 192 sin 192 degrees. This one cos, right? Cos 168 degrees. Yeah. Divided by 8 into sin 2 pi value. Same way. 2 into 180 by 15. After cancellation, we will get 24 degrees. 8 sin 24 degrees. Okay na? Right. So I am going to write this one as 192. I am going to write as 180 plus 12. Correct? 192 we can write as 180 plus 12. Now cos 180 minus 12. Can I write? 180 minus 12 is 168. Okay na? So divided by 8 into sin 24 degrees. Here children? Yeah. Now 180 plus which quadrant? 180 plus third quadrant. Third quadrant sine value is negative. Whenever 180 sine becomes sine. So minus sine 12 degrees. 180 minus means which quadrant? 180 minus means second quadrant. Second quadrant cos value positive or negative? Negative only. So that minus this minus becomes plus. So whenever 180 cos has this cos only. Cos 12 degrees. So divided by 8 sine 24 degrees. But check here, sin theta, cos theta, same like previous one, 2 is missing now. So again I am just multiply and divided with 2. This will be sin 2 theta formula. Sin 2 into 12, 24. Denominator 16 into sin 24. So numerator sin 24, denominator sin 24 is cancelled. Only remains 1 by 16. That is our required answer. That is our required answer. Okay, na? Please check this. Here onwards. Okay, na? We will go to the next problem. 7th question. Okay, so let us see that the problem sin 3 theta by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta. We need to find the value of sin 3 theta by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta value. 2 cos 2 theta value. Okay. So we are well known formula sin 3 theta is nothing but 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta and 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 theta formula we can write in the terms of cos 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, na? Or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, let us see. So this is from the numerator. I am just taking common term is sin theta. First term, second term both are having sin theta, right? So what is remaining? First term 3 remains minus second term 4 sin square theta is remaining. Okay. So denominator 1 plus 2 into 2 4 cos square theta, 2 ones are 2 minus 2. 4 cos square theta is remaining, but there is no cancellation. Okay, let us try to write this one 2 cos square theta as cos 2 theta as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Let us try to find that formula. This formula I am just changing here the formula, that is 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta is nothing but 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So numerator all are sines now. So try to write the denominator also in the form of in the terms of sin. Okay. So again sin theta common in numerator. So 3 minus 4 sin square theta is remaining. Come to the denominator. So denominator is first term is 1 as it is. 2 into 1 2 minus 2 into 2 4 sin square theta. Okay, na? Now 1 plus 2 value how much? 1 plus 2 value 3. 3 minus 4 sin square theta here also. 3 minus 4 sin square theta. So numerator value, denominator value cancelled clearly. We are having sin theta is the answer. Okay, na? So there are so many multiple angle formulas are there, but we have to apply which is exactly suitable to the question. Okay, right. So let us try to get the next problem. Yeah, 8th question is tan 9 degrees. So tan 9 degrees minus tan 27 degrees minus tan 63, and last one is plus tan 81 degrees. Plus tan 81 degrees. Okay, na? So while you are observing clearly 9 and 81 are complementary angles. Am I right? 981 is complementary angles, nothing but sum of two angles 90 degrees. And 27, 63 also complementary angles. So I am just try to convert both of them into same number or same angles. So tan 9 degrees I am leaving as it is, tan 9 degrees only, and tan 27 also as it is, but remaining two terms I am going to change as tan 63. I can write 90 minus 27. 63 is nothing but 90 minus 27, and last plus term tan 81 also I can write as 90 minus 9. 81 degrees is nothing but 90 minus 9. Okay, na? So that is equals to tan 9 degrees minus tan 27 degrees, and 90 minus which quadrant? First quadrant. 90 minus theta, first quadrant. First quadrant all are positives. Whenever it is 90 and 270, the trigonometric ratios will be changes. So it will be cot 27. And last one, cot 9 degrees. So tan 9 degrees, cot 9 degrees, as well as tan 27, cot 27. Okay, na? Yeah, let us try to convert them into the possible values. Yeah. So tan 9 degrees, I am writing the similar angles together. So tan 9 degrees plus cot 9 degrees. Okay, and middle two terms, that means tan 27 and cot 27 both are having negative signs now. So I am just taking minus common between them. It will get tan 27 plus cot 27. Okay, so try to convert them into the possible values, possible ratios. Sin ratio we can express as, tan ratio we can express as sin by cos. So tan 9 degrees I can write as sin 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees. Same way cot 9 we can write as cos 9 by sin 9 degrees. Okay, na? Same way, similarly we can write the second one also, sin 27 degrees by cos 27 degrees, cos 27 degrees by sin 27 degrees. So I just convert tan and cot in the ratios of sin cos. Okay. Now try to apply LCM here. Sin 9 into sin 9 is sin square 9 degrees. Cos into cos, cos square 9 degrees, divided by cos 9 into sin 9. Cos 9 degrees into sin 9 degrees. Okay, na? Minus this one also, sin square 27 plus cos square 27 by cos 27 into sin 27. Now first one, while you are observing both of them numerators, it is clearly looking like a trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta value will be 1. So both numerators becomes 1, and here denominator is cos 9 by sin 9 degrees minus denominator is 1 cos 27 degrees into sin 27 degrees. Sin theta into cos theta, looking like sin 2 theta formula, but 2 is less. Multiply and divide with 2, both of them. Then numerator 2 ones are 2, denominator sin 2 theta formula, sin 2 into 9, 18 degrees. Okay, na? This one 2 into 27, 2 27s, 54 degrees. So try to substitute the values of sin 18 degrees is nothing but root 5 minus 1 by 4. Am I right? Sin 18 degrees value. This one root 5 plus 1 by 4. So apply, that means apply the reciprocal condition here. 2 into 4, 8. 8 by root 5 minus 1 minus 8 by root 5 plus 1. Okay, na? So let us confirm with the value sin 18 degrees. I think in previous class we have discussed how we found that sin 18 degrees value. Yeah, sin 18 degrees root 5 minus 1 by 4, and as well as sin 54 degrees. Sin 54 degrees root 5 plus 1 by 4. Correct only. Take 8 as a common term. Just apply cross multiplication. Root 5 plus 1 minus 1 into root 5 minus 1 is root 5 plus 1 divided by a plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square. That is equals to 8 into plus root 5 minus root 5 cancel, 1 plus 1 2. So 8 into 2 by a square minus b square formula square root cancel, 5 remains. 5 minus 1 is 4. 8 2s are 16. 16 by 4, 4 table 4 times. Okay? Yeah. That's it for today, children. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.